G'day guys, Adrian from Pergola Built. Today we're at one of our extensive structural home renovations. We're remodeling everything inside, including building a 27 square metre deck in the backyard. Let's go inside and have a look at the deck and pergola. First of all, starting from earthworks, you need to check with the council and see if you're in a termite area. If so, you will need 400 clearance between the soil and the bearer. If you're not in a termite area, you'll need 150 mil. The footings will need to be dug into 100 mil of natural clay, which basically means 100 kPa bearing capacity per stump. The stumps will need to bear on a pad of concrete no less than 150 mil thick. So a good way to provide that extra protection against the elements is to use a building product called Protect-A-Deck. Protect-A-Deck is a rubber strip that sits on top of the joist in between the decking board. Always remember to use bitumen paint, the timber that is going into the ground, and any timber that is sitting less than 150 mil to the ground. To get a building permit, you will need an engineer to design the structural subfloor. If you are up to date with the regulations and familiar with the Australian Standards 1684, your building surveyor may let you engineer your deck to the requirements of the Australian Standards. Let's discuss some of the information I use when engineering and designing a deck. Let's talk about the subfloor. So on this project we've used concrete stumps, which are 100 by 100, and it is in a termite zone area, so we've had to use ant caps. Now on top of these stumps, what this is called is a bearer. Now for this job we've used two 90 by 45 MGP10 treated pine bearers. Now these bearers from the 1684, which is basically means the Australian standard for timber framing. These bearers can span no more than 1200. So spanning means from stump to stump is no more than 1200. Now we've used 90 by 45 joist, and these joists can span no more than 1500. So once your subfloor has been constructed to your requirements and your local requirements in regards to termites and flood zones, we can start looking into the decking. Now this is a cosmetic side of the construction, which is very time consuming. So right here we're using 140 by 19 Merbu boards with stainless steel bugle head screws. Alright guys, now just remember, when building a deck or a pergola, you will need to engage a building surveyor and arrange a building permit. Once you have your building permit, you'll need to engage a licensed builder who can then provide you with all the warranties and insurances, which is up to date with the government legislation, the building code. This is a very important aspect of renovating your home, as if you don't have a building surveyor and a licensed builder, you're leaving yourself open to all types of problems during construction. There will also be a lot of legal nightmares when trying to sell your home. Alright guys, thanks for watching our video. Now if you've got any questions, you can write to us at www.casabalabuilt.com or leave a comment below.